Um, I always have you a brush, a thick brush, or you can get like a hair brush from Dollar Tree. Yeah, so make sure you have a comb, have a brush, make sure you have gloves because you don't want to mess up your fingers. And to quicken the drying process, hairbrush. I mean, a hair blow dryer is always quicker. This is the Truly Red, the Wild Cherry, and the Intense Red mixed together. So we're gonna see what this looks like when I wash it out, and I'm gonna come right back with y'all. Y'all, mixing colors is like one of the worst things you can do to your fur. If you want a particular color, stick with that color multiple times. Do not mix because you're going to get a different color you don't want. At this point, I'm upset. Okay, y'all, this is next day. All right, so obviously we did not get the red that we were going for. I was going for a bright, pretty, banging red. Like the freaking button that you press to record. Like red. But it turned out pink. So I'm assuming that I just need all Truly Red, which I knew that. But when I went to the store, they didn't have. This was the last bottle they had. So I was like, let me get that and then mix it with some other colors. Which in my head, I was like, dang, I knew it was going to make another color that I didn't want. So I sent my baby to the store to get another bottle of this. I still have a little of that in here mixed with the Intense. So, I think I'm gonna stick with these two. You know what? I'm kind of afraid to even mess with this. I feel like it's gonna go to another brighter pink. So I'm gonna just stick with the Truly Red. So that's my next step. So I'm gonna do some more red on these. We're gonna rinse it out and we're gonna see what color we're gonna get. Whew, y'all be with me on this. Hey y'all, this right here is just showing that I'm blow drying the fur. That's quicken. Like I said, it quickens the drying process and you can easily just go ahead and dye your fur again however you want it. Dyeing fur that's wet is more than likely not going to stay on your fur. Okay, y'all. This is just showing close up and personal what it looked like after I redyed it. A mess. Definitely not red. Stay tuned. We're not gonna get discouraged yet. We're gonna try one more thing, and that's just combining all these colors again and putting it up here, and we'll see what we'll get. But right now, it's just looking pink, 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 pink. So yeah, next time I know not to mix nothing.